There is a strong wind that just came across the pond, and I wanted to capture it for you, Dennis, because it's pretty powerful. I went to the pond to fix the boat, you know, strap the seats down and make sure that everything was secured on the dock, and I felt like I was going to be seasick in the boat. It really was rocking. So this is just for you. I am going to try to go down to the waterfront and take another one, but all you might get is that horrible sound of the wind in the microphone. I hope not, but we're going to give it a shot.